Oh man, that's cold. Are you guys seeing this? What's up, guys? Thank you for joining us on another video of YRM TV. Today's episode is going to be slightly different than the rest. We will be showing you what the day in the life of an HVAC service technician looks like. We are pretty swamped today with about 8 service calls scheduled. Unfortunately, I was not able to get video on all of them, but please sit back and enjoy the show. We start off our day by stopping by the supply house to pick up the material that we need for these service calls. Once we're done there, we make our way to our first service call, which is an oil no heat. After performing a few tests, we diagnosed the problem and gave a few options to the customer for a happy resolution. After that service call, we headed to another one, which was a multi-family home. The problem reported here was that the customer was having issues with the steam boiler. After our diagnosis, we found that the problem originated at the radiator valve on the second floor. We went ahead and picked up a new valve and came back to replace it. So, as I mentioned before, we were not able to get video on the rest of the service calls, but let's just say everything went as planned. So after a 12-hour day, we come back to the shop, get ready to clean the truck from the day's mess. We then proceed to unload the material from the back of the truck, and we call it a day. At this point, I take the YRM dog out. His name's Drizzy. He finishes up taking care of business. We go for a little walk. I bring him inside. Then I come back out to get the mail. Oh great, just what I was hoping for. More bills. I finally come back inside, take my 3 layers off, followed by my boots, and we get ready to go upstairs for my favorite part of the day.